There we go. Alright, so we should be back on YouTube as well now. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Sorry about that. I'm just having fun tonight. Who cares? I can't be. I'm not worried about this stream being a productive stream anymore. What up, Jupers? Also, no one has said panel. Panel was the secret word. No one has said it for a week. So we're getting a new word. That'll work. There we go. That's 33.5 times 2. It's 67, right? I just got a blast of nostalgia here. What was the video and sound clip that played after ads played?
What was the video and sound clip that played after ads played?
I didn't play one. It would have been from this song, if anything. What up, lass? How you doing? That was all too funny. That was all too funny. It was like a hooray. Oh! It was the Much Rejoice from Monty Python Holy Grail. And there was much rejoicing. Yay, yay. Yeah. Just got back from doctor's appointment and frozen stiff. Pretty cold today. What did your doctor do? Are you becoming cryogenically frozen? Can't wanted it after stream crashed. And there was much rejoicing. Cannot replicate. But I do need to fix this. So why is this not working? Print debug. Let's see. I don't have car, so biking there throws me. Ah, right. I gotcha. Good night, I love you. Good night, Okie. Have a good sleep. Okay. So, it's not hitting there. So that's held container. Okay, so when we move this, we want to gonna be taking it out of the stocked, putting it into the box. When we pack the item, quantity held is 1, toggle visibility. Otherwise, that's what's happening. Surface override material count. We're gonna go get child 0, mesh, get surface override material count. And go while IDX is less than count, we're going to do that, and up here, I'm going to go IDX. Same thing up there. I'm gonna go interactable. You're late, Mike. Yeah, still not reachable. It's still on 2 as its IP address. First. Then we're going to do if item is mystery bobble box, we just do that. Else, and go item mesh get surface override material count, while IDX is less than count if no IDX plus equal 1. We're gonna do mat will be a standard material 3D. There you go. Item mesh get surface override material IDX. And actually, in here, I can do card sleeves. We'll have this 19. And we... what do we need to do here? We can have it flip. No. Yes. Actually, that should be working because it's already doing get surface override material count. Because yeah, that should be hitting all of these. IDX is less than mesh get surface override material count. We want to do mesh get surface with override material. IDX is null. We duplicate it. Wait, we duplicate the active material. Otherwise, duplicate the override material. If mat's a shader, we set use equip to 2. Otherwise, we set mat use equip to true. Why is that not working? G'day, Goob. How you doing? Let's see if this works. I'm not confident it will. How dare you say I'll see you tonight earlier, by the way. Gore to make that kind of assumption. How you doing, King? G'day. So see how it's... So the first one sets correctly. The second one, not so much. Second one, not so much. Was my assumption wrong, Fanny Slan? Was it wrong in any way? I don't think it was. I don't think it was. So therefore, you can't really be angry at me. That's not the point. Don't change the subject. I'm not changing the subject. We're still on topic. Just different perspective. Not my fault that you're wrong. Your opinions and emotions are wrong. Get used to it. So why is that not working for these? Advice for balancing tech job and game dev. Your job is how you make money. So make sure that you do that first. Your game dev is a hobby. So do that when you have free time. That's how you balance it. Call me Collector. 7 stream streak last. Nicely done. Very nicely done. So what's the issue? The delivery box will go, all right, so we have a second item. It's not a mystery bowl box, so we go in here. We loop over all the surface materials. We get the first mesh's surface material. Do we set hole? Oh, I see. I need to pass IDX into that. No. I've got a wooden spoon. No. 100 streams in 50 days? That's madness. You know it. Water sucks. Gatorade's better. Gatorade. Gatorade. I need to watch Waterboy again. That movie's great. Fixed. That is fixed. Beautiful. Beautifully. The delivery boxes. I want these to have a hold rotation. Kombucha is objectively the best. Fair enough. I'll take your word for it. I have a bottle of water here. Says you're wrong. That's cute. How old are you, kid? I'm 34 years old. starts laughing at him for wanting to be a water boy. If we give it a 15-degree rotation. Let's start with that. Now I need to convert that to radians. Because the hold rotation gets set to rotation, so I need to do a radian to degree sort of thing. If you know what I mean. The bottle is biased. No, it's not. Can't you see? It's got a black strip on it that says it's not biased. How can it be biased when it's both white and black? Duh. Duh. It can't be biased. It's impossible. Um, 15 degrees. That's ion 2, ion 4. Ion 6 would be 30. Ion 12. Then like 6 15s go into 90. Racist water bottle. It's not even 50-50, so obviously just DEI black. Oh, love it. That's well played, lass. There is no bottle. There is no bottle, only Zool. Alright. Let's see what that does. So when we're holding the box, it should be tilted towards the player, hopefully. It might be tilted away from the player, but that's fine. We can just go in and adjust it to be in negative degrees. Okay, so there's still something there that we can't see. Ion 9. I feel like having them up higher will fix some of that. Maybe we have them back 5-5. And positioning inside the bobble box. Oh, sorry, inside the delivery box. Section size is that. New pos. I think what we want to do. New pos Z plus equal 0.005. Let's see what that does. Morning, Soldan. Good morning from Sweden. God morgon. Hur mår du? Jag är jättebra. That's as much Swedish as I know. That is as much Swedish as I know. Please don't expect me to say any more. Jag kan prata lite svenska. I went to Sweden in 2018 for a month, so yeah. East Coast Australia, that I am, Soldans. That I am. It's once again time for German practice. So you were wondering why I knew Swedish. I've gone through all the Swedish stuff. Like all of it on Duolingo. But I haven't practiced it in a very long time. A very long time. So, yeah. Chat's been getting me to do, so long as you can save up to make him practice Swedish. Yeah, exactly. Like, Lars has been making me do a lot of German practice.
Sogar. Wessen.
Alright, Wessen, for some, like, all I'm thinking of right now is the show Grimm and the Wessen in that.
Ausgehen. Ruhe. Ruhe, Ruhe. Sogar. Wessen. Ausgehen. Ruhe. Sogar.
Oh my god, I know this.
Ruhe. Sogar. Ruhe. Sogar.
Oh my god.
Ruhe.
That's even, isn't it? Oh,
Ruhe.
I knew it. I second guessed myself.
Sogar.
God damn it.
Alex und Bea, ihr feiert Weihnachten mit eurer Oma.
It is German, King.
Eurer, euer, eurer, euer.
What was Eura? Oh, Eura, yeah. Okay, my bad. I
Willst
wasn't
du den
listening.
Glühwein von meiner Tante probieren? Er ist stark, aber auch süß und warm. Perfekt bei schlechtem Wetter.
They are speaking about a drink.
Alle bekommen ein Glas Sekt, sogar der Bär.
Everyone is getting a glass of champagne. Even the bear. Oh, sogar is even as, like, not even as in equal, like, two things are even. Right. Wir trinken an Weihnachten immer Glühwein. Duolingo sentences are crazy. Yes, they are ironic. They are so
Willst du
weird.
den Stollen von meiner Anwältin probieren?
Stollen.
Willst du den Stollen von meiner Anwältin probieren?
It's not that. I don't know. I've forgotten how to spell this word. It's probably a double L for it, if anything. Yeah, it was a double L. What was that, Hadouken? 50-50 means 100% chance of fail. This is just how it is. I think I just proved that wrong. I had no idea how to spell that word.
Wir fahren zu deiner Tante, ihr Glühwein ist am besten.
We are driving to your aunt's. Her mulled wine is the best. You probably shouldn't drive there then.
Wir fahren zu meiner Oma, sie macht Zug, zu.
Alle im Haus kommen zur Party. Der Hund kommt. Oh my god. Sogar mit.
Wir feiern immer mit der ganzen Familie Weihnachten. Ganzen.
Fährt Oskar dieses Jahr an Silvester zu seinem Freund?
Zu seinem.
Fährt Oskar dieses Jahr an Silvester zu seinem Freund?
I always get tricked by how much space they've left to type. Always. The bear is just his nickname from high school. Even as in two things are even is gleich. Yeah. And I think that's what trips me up a lot. Is I register gleich as even. So when someone, like, whenever I would use even in English, regardless of the situation, I automatically think of gleich. Wir gehen zu einem Freund.
Morgen.
Wir gehen morgen zu einem Freund. Sentence structure. Spielt ihr mit deine Opa-Karten? Matt und Kurt. Deine, because there's multiple people, or deiner, because fucking eurem, because it's because it's two people here, so it's not deiner, it's eurem.
Wir gehen zu deiner
Euer
Oma,
for multiple,
aber wir trinken
dein
keinen
for
Glühwein.
sing- Damn it. Most Germans tripped up by gleich and dasselbe. Gleich means it's similar to something else, and dasselbe means it's exactly the same. Okay, so in JavaScript, you've got A is B, like A is B, and the triple equal is like A is exactly equal to B. Like, it's the same type, it's the same value. Like one is one. A string of hello is a string of hello. And you would use das be in that situation. Whereas if you were saying that, you know, this can, this can here is equal to like a can of Coke. They're similar because they're both cans of liquid. Would be gleich. Is that right? Correct? Excellent. Yeah. Fucking hell, I'm good. To your grandma's. But we aren't drinking mulled wine. Why not? Why not? Sounds like you can a bit of German. That's good. Side note, your overlay looks amazing, especially when switching from one view to another. You mean like this? And how the chat window also switches to the other side? Or this? And then I go back down here into the corner where I belong. I think it means the window manager switching animations. These things. Is this what you're talking about, King? Please tell me that's what you're talking about. Because that's got nothing to do with my overlay. That's not my overlay. That's just Hyperland.
Wir kochen.
I'm getting confused with the word overlay. Okay, cool. Cool. Wir kochen für alle.
Alle.
No. For all people? Or are we cook? Or is it just alle is yeah, alle is everyone. For Bonn is village, isn't it? Or is that Swedish? Bonn is city. I thought Start was city. Start is city in Swedish. Huh. Working for everyone. Sogar für die Schnecke.
Wir gehen morgen zu einem
I
Freund.
said Schnecke. Alright? Schnecke. It's German. Wir gehen morgen. To her friends. Or to a friends. Sure you did. Alle kommen zur Party sogar. Alle kommen...
Ganzen.
Alle kommen zur Party sogar. Meine Geschwister.
Wir.
We're celebrating with the whole family, so I'm assuming it's Geschwister since celebrating with the whole family. Yeah. Geschwister.
Alex und Bea, ihr feiert Weihnachten mit eurer Oma. Eurer. Euer.
It's eure. This is eurem. %100% success. What the hell is this? Do they just... Hang on, Duolingo. Duolingo, what are you doing here? You just got a bunch of numbers. And you're just like, just put a number in there. Why do you have 10 divs? You've actually got 30 divs. Looks vibe coded. Oh my god. I suppose maybe it's because they're animating it. And they don't know how to animate it another way. Maybe that's why. God damn, that was funny. That was very funny. Okay. I gotta set my audio stuff back up now. There we go. Beautiful. Vibe code detective, sure. I mean, they already use vibe coding for their or like AI for their training stuff. So register for your German C1 certification exam. What if I told you I already had it? Yeah. What if I said that? Would you believe me? If you have it, I'll sub. You're already subbed. Oh, already subbed? Must be true then. Ha! I was lying. I don't have a certificate to tell me I can speak another language at a certain level. Because I can't. I'm assuming since we can see your face, chat that you fixed the overlay. I did. I deleted all of the Twitcher stuff and I remade it all from scratch. Oh, I got something set up as well.
Scrooge.
Scrooge, yep. Scrooge indeed. Why isn't this moving? Like, what the, what? This game looks so clean, I wonder who makes it. Oh, what's that? It's Hypnotic. And he has a Steam page. You should wishlist it. I should pin that, shouldn't I? I should really pin that. So when we hold something, We set the position of it to the hold offset. The hold offset is an exported value. And I am setting your exported value. You sure want me to get that KFC? I mean, if you're getting KFC, pick me up some. Why is it not... The rotation setting. But this isn't. I have a Switch game on my shelf, but I can't find it. But it wasn't in the case. Can I have Taco Bell? No. No, you can't. One terrible fast food at a time, alright? We're not going to multiple. Hold offset Y. So why is that not being... Why am I saving hold offset? I don't want to save hold offset. Fuck that. That's stupid. Steam page still with Discord? It does. That will change tomorrow. Yeah. God damn it. Ooh, trying to assign value of vector 3 to a variable type dictionary. Bit. I wish listed. Can I have Taco Bell now? Never had it. No. Thank you for the wish list, though. Much appreciated. So now the hold offset for this if I change this to be haven't seen any but haven't searched either. Is there Taco Bell in Germany? I don't think so. Well, apparently they came to Germany in 2025. Taco Bell has scrapped plans to open 10 branches in Berlin after parent company Yum Brands distanced itself from German franchisee Ilkem Sahim. Well, there you go. Yeah, pretty new. Pretty new. I don't even think there's a Taco Bell in Australia. Is there? Oh, there is. Huh. many locations do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in New South Wales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in Queensland. 3, 6, 9. 9 in Victoria. Well, that's why. They have 9, and none of them are near anywhere that I've ever lived. They've only got 4 in Western Australia. Oh my god. Yeah, Taco Bell's not really not really popular over here. We have plenty of like Spanish and Mexican restaurants already. So, and they're all cheaper and better than Taco Bell. So, there's no real reason for us to bother with Taco Bell. Let's go this way. Let's go in here. Let's go to this. I should really have them tween to that position. So apart from that, I want them to sit up higher. Let's see what we got here. I still can't see the one at the very front. This looks like it's coming out of nowhere. Edges in the back look really sus. Ow. Oh, you're talking about these ones. You still can't see them. You put multiple bobbleheads into the same. Oh my god. I need... Can you mix and match the boxes on the shelf from the shelf? No. No, you can't. That's the issue with that. I have a 7-hour drive tomorrow. Do you think I can beat Mario Odyssey for the 5th time before you arrive? Yes. Yes, I do. Considering you've already beaten it 4 times, you probably know exactly what you need to do. Is this a replay? No, it's not. It is not. I've said, why are you going to play it again? What language am I using to develop this? We're using GD script, which is Godot's own scripting language. But now we can't place that. We got ads hitting on Twitch too. That's too close. Alright. Let's take a break. We have a Quirtle to finish. We have a Quirtle that needs to be finished. Please. No. False. I've been learning JavaScript and PHP. Nice, nice. Good web devin. How many games do you play daily? And its framework, so like React, Next.js, and whatnot. We have Canal. Ooh, no, not Alley. Naval. So top right. Jelly. Too good. Too good. Are you asking me how many games I play a day less? A lot of grind. Web dev is a lot of grind. It really is. Okay. Roost. Easy. Before the ad's even finished. Like I see you playing something new every day. There's Quirtle, Wordle, Daily Akari, Connections, Game Door. That's what we play. Yeah. Ads are over. Welcome back, y'all. Velkommen. Let's make sure that all of these stay within their box. Nah, that's the problem with the two. I need to bump them up one. And the other thing I need to do... If child is card pack, section size X, no, section size Z minus equal 0.005. I want to push him back slightly. This mustache is much like my mustache. Really? Really? I like it. I need to start having it so that this side comes back down here. Yeah. And then have it start going back over this way. Then have it start going up here. Then have it go out. Have it come down. And have it come in. Then have it go out. Then back. And down. Down. And out. And just keep going in weird shapes. Yep. You're not the person that I saw a YouTube short about recently, are you? I think someone posted it in my Discord. Okay, so for the delivery box, I feel like we need it to be back a bit further. Push it back a bit further to support the rotation facing camera a little bit, so you can more easily see the contents. Like that. That's a problem. If it's not small and it's equal approx, hold offset Y to default. Let's do that. Let's hope that works. Let's hope. That was close. That's close. Now, you're not going to be able to see the bottom, but I think that's fine. Not being able to see the bottom's perfectly fine. Question is, do I want them to have the backlight? I keep trying to decide if I want them to have the backlight or not. Because everything's very bright at the moment. But if I turn off the backlight, no, we do need the backlight. But I think what we were doing is we were turning it down to like that. The reason we need the backlight is because it prevents the light in the center of the store from causing shadows on things. So that way we can have one light that is illuminating the store and we don't have shadows appearing on NPCs' faces and stuff like that. C0, C0, C0. Honestly, I think I can probably... Wait, you're already pretty dark. So I reckon turning you up will be fine. Yeah. I'm locked in now. I'm staying strong. Oh no, you broke it! You no longer have 69 lates. Oh, gamer ruining everyone's good time by breaking the 69. Never invite gamer over. You can only 69 for so long. Speak for yourself. I mean, I guess that is one way to stay strong, gamer. What has happened to my channel, chat? Where are we? Get all these updated. It's doomed. West Bend sinking ship. Off to meeting. Not all of us are gods among men here. No, that's true. That's true. How can I forget? I'm just used to being surrounded by people like me. Oh, wait. I'm always home by myself. That's... Hero Villain card pack is set. So apart from that, collectible card mat. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see. Yeah, that's nicer. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Let's commit all that stuff up before I forget. Fixed mats or updated mats. Updated delivery box hold position. Updated pack position for delivery contents. think that was all. Oh, very nice. Now the cashier, I'm unable to replicate that. It's going to be a real pain. So what we're going to need to do, we're going to have to go to, what? It's not a wait. Two checkouts. Wait for customer. So scan items. This returns success. Let's open up our NPC. Employee. Scan items, payment. So once they finish scanning items, or return success, it goes to payment. Once they finish payment, that returns success, which will return success all the way up. But that's going to end up back down into here. We haven't implemented talk to customer yet. It goes wait for customer. Oh my god, you found your body? Did I? What? That? That's not my body. That's just my hands. You wish. It was on screen a second ago. Lies. Lies and slander. Absolute lies and slander. My body is well known to not exist. It's a mystery. It's infinitely never here. In Blender! I mean, that's one place that it exists, that's true. So we go through this. Sale counter, context get counter null. Counter is null. Employee data data assigned. Selected node is null. Context, remove, false. Goes through here. So this is evaluating the nodes. That's not waiting for customer. That's not waiting for customer. What up, Ninja? How you doing? How goes it? It goes well. I'm currently trying to figure out this bug here that was reported, but I don't know how. Unsure how. It's a warm night tonight. It might just be humid, actually. Holy crap! Okay, it's an air conditioning night. It's an air conditioning night. It is currently 28 degrees at 8:30 p.m. As a new game making, dev for a while. So this is Bobble Shop Sim. Yeah. Tomorrow is going to be terrible. 37 tomorrow with rain. And then 32 with rain. God damn it, that's all crap weather. This is Bobble Shop Sim. So, yeah, 37 with rain. Yes, yes. What, is the rain on fire? It's Australia. What do you think? The sky's on fire, the ground's on fire, the rain's on fire. Australia, literally, all of our spiders and whatnot look like they come from hell itself. So, yes, Australia is hell on earth, or Australia just so happens to be on top of every single hellmouth in existence. Where's Buffy when you need him? Alright, so... if purchasing is null, which I actually don't even care about that. If counter items size is 0, do that. That way we don't even need to consider if the counter, like if there's someone purchasing, because we'll be waiting for them to put their items onto the register. Actually, I'll take it one step further even and go check out ready. What we're going to do is go set deferred checkouts ready to true. And then if all items are scanned, we're going to go checkout ready is false. Actually, we go payment made, complete purchase. So we set it there. And then up here, we go checkout ready. If checkout's not ready, then we just continue looping here. And then once checkout is ready, which is after all the items have been placed on the counter, and it gets set back to false after the purchase has been finished. Now we're not going to have a situation or a race condition with signals firing causing the employee to end a transaction early or something like that. Look, there's Barrel Boy. Got a little barrel on his head. You there, employee, be a cashier, would you? We are open for business. You, old lady, get in there and buy a bobblehead for your grandkids. Yes, that's right, your grandkids. You there, businessman, get in there and buy a bobblehead. You, person that is clearly alone in their life, get in there and buy a bobblehead. Spend your money on something. That was loud. I feel attacked. Use that rage to buy a bobblehead. You there, viewer. You look like you don't have anybody. Buy Bobble Shop Simulator. Do something. Take my money. Don't mind if I do, Fanny Slam. Good. Now, I feel like that should, like, beep. Like, the scan should still go through and stuff. What up, Evinity? I almost said it wrong again. What am I doing? Thank you for the hydrate. Choo choo, it's the game engine Godot in its own language called GD script by the looks of it. You are 1,000,000% correct. I was gonna gaslight you for a second and say that you were 1,000,000% incorrect and that it was my own scripting language and my own build of Godot. But that was going to lead to a whole bunch of questions that I was not prepared to answer. You would have asked something and I would have been like, yes. About that. I actually have no idea how to do that. So, from this, when an item is scanned, I want it to emit the beep. Like, I want it to beep, 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 yeah. But I want it to be spatial. I want it to be spatial. What we can do under the sale counter, I'm going to add Audio Player 3D. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have it come from the computer. From the computer. Scan beep. And we go scan item. We go scan beep. Play. Now, I can go to all these interacts. We can remove that. Or better yet, no, never mind. Never mind. If you say that you own, I will ask how to make the compiler. The making the compiler is the easy part. What you do is you go into the code and you find the part that needs to be compiled, and then you compile it. Yep. Okay. There's our employee. Cashier. Work that register. Watch this. We'll see how the scan is from back here. That was still pretty loud. Pretty loud. Bus SFX. Distance past which the sound can no longer be heard at all. Only has an effect if set to a value greater than 0. Max distance works in tandem with unit size. However, unlike unit size, whose behavior depends on the attenuation model, max distance always works in a linear fashion. This can be used to prevent the audio stream player 3D from requiring audio mixing when the listener is far away, which saves on CPU resources. So let's put this at 4 meters. Okay, and let's go into the cash register. Um, register GD. Play the register close SFX, the register open SFX. So those are both there. Toggle open happens. I don't. Cash payment made. We toggle it open. And so complete purchase. Toggle open. Cash payment made. Okay, so what we can do is go. Register open SFX. Register SFX play. And then actually, yeah, your register open SFX. The one above is register close SFX. And then we have up here when the item scans, I'm gonna go register SFX stream is scan beep play. We can set this to what? Scan beep. Audio stream. Register open SFX. Audio stream of Vorbis. Register close. Audio stream of Vorbis. Okay. There. This one here. Register open. Register close. Assess that. Survive the meeting? Nice. Monday morning meetings are always such a gamble. Sometimes they're finished after 30 minutes and sometimes go on for 2 hours. I have a rule that if a meeting's going to go for more than an hour, then the meeting is not well planned. So I'm not attending. If you can't get something figured out in an hour in a meeting, that you're doing the meeting wrong. You've packed too much into that meeting. There's too much into that meeting. You need to split the meeting up. Someone say the magic word yet? We've changed the magic word. The magic word was panel. Panel. As in a panel of people. Or a UI panel that you use in Godot. Or a car panel. A panel beater. Now, all this... So many things. You know, a wood panel. There's so many panels. No one talks about stuff, though. Ah, yeah. I mean... I'm sitting here waiting for people to come in. No one's walking in. Panel is not a hard word to use. I know. The next word that I've got is not hard at all. Yeah. I like it. I may have fixed issue with employee breaking checkout. Also updated checkout to play scan beeps and register open close SFX when like as a spatial or as spatial audio. Lovely. What's the new word? It's not hard. I can tell you that much. Did you know git commit messages actually consist of title and description? They can. So There you got git commit. You got interactive if you want. You've got M, which is message. You've got, where are we? You got date. You got allow empty message. You got file. You got reset author. You got author. You go down through all these things. You got author, date, message, file, sign off, add a signed off by trailer by the committer at the end of the commit message log, meaning it was signed off by someone. Yeah. There's a lot to it. There's a status. Yeah. Samuit. Yep. Samuit. Unified. Yeah. Let's get a build of that. So the first thing I'm going to be doing tomorrow is getting all of these changes from the demo branch into the main branch, because I can't just do a git merge demo. You know? Can't do that. Can't do that. So I'll need to go through and I'll need to like pick the stuff that I want to move over. Get rebased then. Well, there's changes in main that I need to keep. So reapply commits on top of another base. Transplant a series of commits onto a different starting point. So the issue with this is we've got changes in main and in, yeah. So it'll be cherry picking time. So I'm gonna have to go through and I'm gonna have to do like specify the files that I want to bring in. Yeah. Otherwise we break everything. Let's actually have a look at that. If we do git merge demo interactables, basically all of this, not something we can merge. What do you mean by that? Git merge demo. Interactions. Bubbles. Why not? Do you want to tell me why you can't? I think I need to do like a git checkout. All the interactions. Why are you a floating hologram head? I think the better question is, why are you a limb tree? I think that's a much better question. I use lazy git, pretty intuitive for me. CLI is too awkward. I hate GUI stuff. Fair enough, you got me there. Yeah. How you doing, Corvus? Assets, bubbles, meshes. Check out all those. Lazy git is tooey. Is it? I'm still not going to bother using it. It's too much effort. Reload it. Yep, asset cache. That was a big one. Git checkout, demo, asset cache. Just got you randomly suggested on my feed. What are we currently working on? I'm currently cherry picking files that we've changed and whatnot from our demo branch to our main branch. So we've got a bunch of bug fixes that we did this morning that we need to pull over. So, yeah. That's what we be doing. Check out. Bobble Shop Sim. Okay. Git checkout. All the interactables. Every single one of them. Cannot save using controller. A shop simulator, exactly. Exactly. It's fine not to use it, but it is pretty great for a Git UI app. Keyboard friendly as a TUI app. Nah. Nah. Don't need it. We need UI, tablets, main menu, save game list. So we need to pull that one in. No, props. Furniture. States. Placing. Tutorial persists. Where's the tutorial? Or where's the task stuff set up? 2 seconds, I'll check that. It's under HUD, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's in progress. Else. If tasks are not null, we queue free and assign it null. Actually, if is instance valid. No. I'm going to set that up another way. Tasks. Tree exiting. Connect. Set. Tasks. Null. Bind it. There we are. So when this exits the scene tree, it's going to call set, and it's going to set tasks to null. So after we queue free from anywhere, it's gone. Even in here, when we do queue free here, in here, it's still going to get rid of it. That's something. That's something I need to move over to the other one. We also need to do a git checkout from demo of localization extras. How does one edit stuff on pen and paper? With an eraser and whiteout. That's how you do it. Or yeah, you just like cross it out. Check out from demo. Employee actions. Wait for customer. Say okay. We're going to reload this and we're going to see. No chest stay, all good if not. If you want to do chess, go for it. Squibby, if you redeem chess, I have to play. It doesn't matter if I want to or not. It doesn't matter if I'm annoyed or frustrated at what I'm working on. It doesn't matter if I'm locked in. You just got to do it. I redeemed it earlier with my hydrate. That's a very big difference in points. Feel free to use my compositions. They're free for anyone. Nice. What's the what's your link, Corvus? I can check him out. Check him out. Maybe throw it into my Stoat server or my Discord server. No, I redeemed chest before the hydrate. Oh, right, you redeemed chest before the hydrate. Right, my bad. I was not paying attention. I was not paying attention. Send me the challenges. Go, baby. Let's see what happens here. What's that supposed to do? Hmm. Should have snapped knight off the board. Got a Minecraft and music, have good chess. Have a good one, Bongo. I'm guessing eval is +1 for black here. Probably. Yep. Yep, that was silly of me. Yep. Come on, you can see it. Oh, come on. You just move the rook. That's all you had to do. Ouch! Oh! Oh! That pre-move! You pre-moved that! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. There we go. That was quite the game. Both of us pre-moved and ruined something. Well done, Squiffy. Well done. Oh, what else did we do? What else did we change? I think that was it. Oh no, there was also the notification manager. I think that was everything we did. It says it's modified, but it's not. What? Whatever. Bug fixes from demo branch. Let's see. Just make sure that this all runs as we expect. Yeah, it was like a terrific accident. Couldn't look away. They've all got that. Grab you. You're facing towards us so that we can see all the cards in the box. Nice. Cool. We can rotate. We can slow it down by pressing shift. Cool. Resume. I thought we pulled in the localizations from... Oh. Must have overridden it. Actually, no, I know that's what happened. Cool. Now let's test this out. And then we'll probably call it there. Escape. Got that. T. IAU. U. Cashier. And we are open for business. You, go buy a bobblehead. Use it, put it in your truck's dash. You, buy a bobblehead. You just don't know why. Go in there. Maybe you'll find a reason. You too look like you need a hobby other than drugs. Get in there and buy a bobblehead. Damn gangsters. Cool. Everything still seems to be working. Love it. Love it. Yeah, Dorito, thank you very much, Violent. We'll have the demo. The demo will be ready by the 23rd. So it's going through some play testing and stuff at the moment. I'm just fixing up bugs that people come across at the moment. That there's really not that many big issues at the moment. They're like all tiny things. So Monday the 23rd, a week from today, the game will be up for Next Fest. You can see it in top sellers in Steam for real. I hope so. Fingers crossed. But now that we've got this stuff fixed, tomorrow we can get back to making our new trailer. And our new trailer is going to look great. Do you think Godot is suitable for a team shooter, like a light version of Overwatch or Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare? It can do that stuff. What you'll need to focus on with that, though, is optimization, specifically around the networking side of things. But yeah, you can easily do that stuff. Like, Godot is does perfectly well for small multiplayer kind of games. Yeah. Push. Oh, it is so warm. Still 25 degrees. Yucky. Glad I'm not in Darwin. Oh my god. Possible shower or storm and 28 degrees that feels like 32. Damn gangsters. Thank you, lass. Negative 2 degrees Celsius here. I'd rather have a 28. I would rather have negative 2. You know why? Look at the top right. 82 degrees Celsius. That's what my CPU is running at right now. Because it is so warm in my place because of the heat and the humidity and all that kind of crap. I would love to have something sub 10 degrees. Be fantastic. We're going to put that new build up tomorrow. Well, I'll put it up tonight and we'll go from there. I got myself. I'll join next stream. Mark my name. I will. Now, I will let you know my schedule. My schedule is twice a day. Twice a day. So, when I finish this stream, I'm back in 9 hours. 9 hours. You heard right. You heard right. 9. See you before I go to bed? We'll see you then, lass. Hydrate. It's tomorrow for you, today for me. Yes. That's a service? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. If I ever go back to working a full-time job, no one can tell me that I don't work hard. You know? Like, no, I work hard. Look. Where are we going? Where do we be going? That's where we be going. Let's do that. Amazing beard. Thank you very much. Working hard or hard are we working? I'm about to be hardly working because I'm about to raid out. That's what I'm doing. It's late. I broke my stream a lot this morning at the start of the stream. and got very annoyed with everything because of that. But it ended good. We got all of our bugs fixed. And tomorrow, we keep working on our trailer. So we should be able to finish off the trailer stuff tomorrow. And then start pushing through this stuff for the release. Which, honestly, all of this is very easy to do. We've got the large things done. Like, now it's just, implement market price daily change, which is just, at the end of the day, on the loading screen, we just go over all of the products, and we just change their market price up or down somewhere in the range of 15%. NPC personalities, easy to do. Steam achievements, easy to do. The artwork for this is going to be more difficult than actually implementing them. But yeah, I'll see yous all in about 9 hours. Good night, you good dunce.